Hello, welcome to Math Focus. We want to find the value of s from this equation 2 bracket e raised to power 4x minus 3 divided by e raised to power x minus 2 bracket minus 7 is equal to 13. Solution. Note that a raised to power m plus n is equal to a raised to power n multiplied by a raised to power m, and a raised to power n over a raised to power m is equal to a raised to power n minus m. Then this can be written as e raised to power 4x minus 3 minus this e raised to power x minus 2, x minus 2 bracket, here is 2 minus 7 is equal to 13. 2 bracket e raised to power 4x minus 3 minus x plus 2 minus 7 is equal to 13. Here is 2 bracket e raised to power 4x minus s, 3x minus 3 plus 2, that is minus 1 minus 7 is equal to 13. 2 bracket e raised to power 3x minus 1 is equal to 13 plus 7. 2 bracket e raised to power 3x minus 1 is equal to 20. Now let's divide both sides by 2, divided by 2. This will cancel this. 2 here 1, 2 here 10. E raised to power 3x minus 1 is equal to 10. Let's take the natural log of both sides from here. Natural log of e raised to power 3x minus 1 is equal to natural log of 10. Then 3x minus 1 natural log of e is equal to natural log of 10. But natural log of e is equal to 1. Now here is 3s is equal to natural log of 10 plus 1. We are looking for the value of s. Let's divide both sides by 3. 3s divided by 3 is equal to natural log of 10 plus 1 divided by 3. This will cancel this. S is equal to natural log of 10 plus 1 divided by 3. Then s is equal to 1.1009. This is the final answer. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye-bye.